Hi guys, this is Coach Day, and if you're watching this, you're one of my students scheduled for online. Hopefully I'll be able to put faces to names if you do come in campus, but today's video I wanted to go over the syllabus and what's expected for all my students. Now I do offer tutoring at school during lunch, online. If you need extra help, you can send me a message on Google Classroom and I'll try to get back to you. Maybe we can schedule some time where we can get on a Google Meet and do a little one-on-one to help you learn what you need to know. If you do come in person in class, make sure you have a pencil, a 1-inch binder. I will provide you with a spiral. We're going to do our critical writing and our notes in there. And we'll build our binder, which will have various notes throughout the year as we go. Grading policy, the daily work is going to be 50% of your grade. Part of your daily work in the online class is going to be to log in and do the warm-up activity. I will give some quizzes and I'll grade through your notebooks online. If you've been keeping up with each of the notes, I may do a quick note check. There will be some assessments and projects that come up. Obviously, yours is going to be a little bit altered from what we do in class, but just wanted to let you know that they're going to be worth 10% of your grade. And the 6 weeks test or the 3-week chunk test is also just going to be 10%. We put them at 10% because we want you to see how you would do, but we don't want it to just tank your grade. Classroom rules, they're going to be different because you're at home, but if you do come in person, make sure that you respect me as your teacher and you respect your peers, and we shouldn't have any issues. Late work in class, when it's due, it would put a 0, and in Google Classroom, if something is due on Tuesday and it's not turned in Tuesday on that grade book online, it'll show up as a 0. But whenever you do get that turned in, I'll get it graded as soon as I'm able, and I'll get it back to you. Classroom procedures are going to be different. Obviously, you're at home, but if you do choose to come in person, go ahead and read through this. I'm not going to spend time going all over it. And the same for right here. If you do come in person, please read through these, but I do hope that you expect that I'm always going to be knowledgeable and prepared about our math. I'm going to try to be as fair and consistent as I can, especially with this distance learning, and I'm always willing to help. You'll have to send me a message because I won't know if you're struggling necessarily, if you're just making poor grades on assignment, but if you want personal one-on-one help, let me know and we'll try to schedule something. This back 2 pages of the syllabus is our parent agreement and some information if I need to contact somebody. I have attached this document to where you can download it, but I will put a separate form for parent and guardian contact, just so if I need to get a hold of your parents, what's the way they prefer to get contacted, what's an updated cell phone, and email if they prefer email, just so we can keep that communication up. If you do come in class, you will sign this calculator contract by you and your parent, because the calculators we have here are new and they're fairly expensive. We just want to make sure you treat them with respect. We are working on getting you a calculator app if you stay online this whole time. It's free, but I don't have the link yet. As soon as I get it, I'll post it. Hope this was informative, and I'll have some other videos up. Thanks, guys.